What we're facing is the greatest defeat suffered by the United States of America since the Vietnam War. The rising of a new power, which will be at the side of China, Russia, and a diminished United States of America, given the fact that Iran will soon make an atomic bomb. They learned the lesson all right. Given the fact that Iran now controls 20% of the oil of the world through the Strait of Hormuz. And given the fact that Iran is a country that has weapons that the United States of America do not have. And I'm thinking about ballistic missiles, advanced drones, and so on and so forth.